Welcome to this simple and clear guide on how to enable media previews on the X mobile app, updated for the latest version. Media previews let you see images and videos directly in your feed without having to tap on them, making your browsing experience more engaging and convenient. To start, open the X app on your phone. Once you are on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap your profile icon. This will open a menu with your account options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the customization options for your X app experience. From there, tap Accessibility, Display and Language. This area focuses on making the app easier to use and lets you tweak how things look and work. Now tap on Display, where you will find display-specific settings that you can adjust to your preference. You should see an option labeled Media Previews. Simply toggle it on by tapping the switch next to it. And that's all there is to it. With media previews enabled, images and videos will automatically show up in your feed, helping you browse faster and enjoy a richer media experience on X. Thank you for watching.